Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a learner's permit in Florida. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step one is an age requirement. So you must be at least 15 years of age. Then from there, we need to complete a traffic and law and drug alcohol course. So take the TLSAE course online or in person. Then we need to study for the knowledge exam. So review the Florida driver handbook. The test covers road signs, rules, and safe driving. From here, take the knowledge exam. So you can take it online if under 18 with parental supervision or at DMV tax collector's office. It has 50 multiple choice questions. You need to at least get 40 correct or 80% to pass. Also, when you will need to go ahead and gather some documents. So bring proof of identity. This can be your birth certificate or passport, social security number, SS card or W-2, a Florida residency, two proofs like a bill or school record. Then from here, just simply go to the DMV with a parent or guardian if you are under 18. They'll sign a consent form. You also take a vision and hearing test while you are there. Then you need to receive your permit. So once approved, you'll get your learner's permit and you can go ahead and start practicing your driving skills. Now, there are some permit rules, so time of recording, this can change in the future. So for the first 3 months, drive only in daylight. After 3 months, until 10 p.m. And then always drive with a licensed adult, 21 plus, in the front seat.